Baka but you're going to shopping guys. Wait up. Pamagbigay ng mga ibang video ngayong umaga. Siyempre lahat sa Tataw Mission Campus ko din yung Catholic Apollo City Negros. Ito ba ko si guys on the air condition. Rock na guys, maraming rock na lugar ngayon guys. At nasa private cars ninyo makikita dito sa amin Bacolod City, like the Metro Manila. There are so many cars and establishment and buildings guys, houses, guys, times guys, or business like the kind of mall, Ayala Mall, SM Mall, Provincial Mall, tapos is at etc. There are so many hospital there in Bacolod City. Some Japanese traditional. I'm going to travel guys, maybe hour every minute. This is the portion of STI West Negros College there in Bacolod City. The West Negros College is opening enrollment now on 20 January 2026. All colleges there in Bacolod City are open to enroll in a kind of course guys. Is that Maholer open shop. This is the Burgos of Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Watch guys and how to comment the Bacolod City Burgos Central Market. They're the one central market there in Bacolod City. It's so beautiful. New word guys, bago na itong gawa Burgos market namin dito guys. Ilalim guys, marami na kami establishment guys, nagbibenta ng iba-ibang mga katulad guys sa mga rice at iba-iba guys makita nyo. Katulad dito guys na Manila ngayon ang Bacolod City, the province of Negros Occidental. Bacolod City, province ng Negros Occidental. Itong side guys ng Burgos Street, maraming sasakyan na nagpa-park katulad ng mga jeep at mga crossband, tricycle at mga ibang sasakyan katulad ng mga pick-up guys. Usually guys, there are so many tricycle there in Bacolod City together with e-bike. Sa skiller kaya nagbibenta ito ng mga buko o yo guys. Binta guys sa Harbor Uling. This portion is vacant lot guys, owned by the Johnson family guys. The Bacolod City is a very large city, as is called is the city of smile, because there are some people of the Bacolod City is always smile. This Bacolod City is celebrating the Mascara on October, the month of October, the Bacolod City opening the Mascara Festival. Kaya dito naman masyadaya, pupunta kayo dito, makita nyo kayo maraming events ito pagdating ng maglapit na pang October. Kung ngayong bagong taon, punta kayo dito guys sa October lang guys. Malapit na tayo guys sa downtown ng Bacolod City ngayon. The wonders only there si Bacolod City guys. guys, we've been other building. Yung makita guys, mga building dito guys. Marami itong nakuupa ng mga businessman guys. Guys, mga second school parts ng mga sasakyan na binibinta dito guys. Ito na guys, ang downtown. Welcome to the downtown of Bacolod City. All guys of nation, welcome to the Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, the downtown of Bacolod City. There's an establishment guys under the building guys. Ilang ng building guys. Nakita nyo maraming nagbinta. General parts marketing. Nagbinta guys sa mga sakanan guys. Mga small parts dito. Marami guys. Marami silang mga sasakyan na nakapark. Kanilang mga service guys. Sipay Auto Parts Incorporated. Nagbibinta guys ng mga sakanan. Auto parts guys. Auto World. Lahat guys yung makita nagbibinta ng mga sikanhan ng spare parts mga sasakyan guys. Iba-iba guys. So beautiful city o Bacolod City is a for beautiful city there in Bacolod City and there in Negros Occidental. It's a solar guys compared to the other province cities guys. Kita guys ang Pusban katabi sa amin guys. Buong building guys nagbinta sa ilalim ng mga spare parts ng mga sasakyan, part ng mga motor guys. The Filipina guys, snap house. Ito na ngayon guys ang downtown ng Bacolod City. We have the Pure Gold guys, like the locations so small supermarket. Pure Gold Centroplex there guys. Okay guys, good morning and God bless.